What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Happy Sunday. It's an amazing Sunday evening in Dubai. I'm taking a look at the charts right now to show you exactly what is happening and hopefully prepare you for next week, because it's going to be a massive week in traditional markets and crypto as well. Right now, the Bitcoin price has got rejected from approximately $78,500 and is making its way back down probably to the low 77Ks after seeing a rejection and a breakthrough this massive crucial level of support, previous resistance. We are well on our way, working our way down, in my opinion, to this target right there. But in today's video, I want to talk specifically about the weekly chart, because we are having a weekly close right now, guys, and it's a very, very important point. But guys, I have to talk about the weekly close right now, because we are potentially, as of tonight, today is Sunday, as you know, and today is Monday, which is another day and a new week. So we are going to have the confirmation of this exact close in this bear flag right here, guys, on the weekly time frame right there. What does this mean for crypto? Well, this means we could potentially be seeing lower lows in crypto in the coming weeks and months if we can in fact see a positive, well, in my opinion, I'm a bear right now, so a positive bearish close for Bitcoin. Today, I want to talk about that, guys. I also want to talk about this very important chart and show you exactly what happened last time in the previous bull market and what could happen this time right here and how it coincides. Guys, as always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching my videos. It truly does mean the world to me. To give back to you watching at home, slap a like on that button down below. And of course, if you got an extra spare couple of seconds, drop a comment down as well, and that will enter you to win $100 every single Monday. Tomorrow is Monday, so get the comments in down below. Don't be shy. As always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, and if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with any of my content or links. Let's get into the video, because right now, guys, we can see if you are a bear, things are looking pretty juicy right now, because we are seeing, in my opinion, a confirmation of this bear flag right here, a continuation into this bear flag, and hopefully will be a break out of this bear flag down to these price targets down here in the coming months. But of course, this is on the daily chart and the weekly chart. This is going to be a lot slower of a process, and it will probably take a few weeks or months to even play out. So don't get too excited just yet. We do have a confirmation below this level of previous level of resistance right here, which we can see. And again, previous level of support right here. We have a break below it, which is absolutely amazing. It's very, very good. If we take a look at this chart as well, guys, some people don't believe we are in a rising wedge right now. Personally, it's not the greatest rising wedge we've ever seen in the existence of crypto or trading. However, in my opinion, it is somewhat of a valid rising wedge right here. And we will probably seeing a break towards the bottom of the rising wedge, which is approximately $65,000 in this area as well. And of course, I'm still in my trade, guys, over on Ubit. I'm staying in this trade. It's a $360,000 trade. I'm sticking in it. I most likely will be adding more margin. I even am looking at potentially entering some more trades. I mean, over on Ubit, you can actually see right here, you can go to metals and, for example, look at gold. And in my opinion, I'm waiting for gold just to come down a little bit on the daily chart before potentially entering. If we can get a little bit of a lower entry right here, we can see exactly like so. If we can get a little bit of a lower entry right there, I will potentially come into that trade. And of course, also silver as well is looking pretty interesting. We had a massive dump from silver on the daily chart, and it's making me a little bit more interested. As you know, Ubit has TradFi. You can trade precious metals, you can trade stocks, you can trade oil, you can trade many different things. And of course, guys, it wouldn't be an exchange mention unless there was an absolutely awesome bonus. Right now, you can go ahead and deposit $100 and make the trading requirements and get a $100 bonus. Not only that, but if you're a bit of a money bags and you want to spend more money and go ahead and trade more and potentially earn more if you are successful, there is up to a massive 50,000 US dollar welcome bonus. I partnered with Ubit, hopefully, to give you the best rate possible. And of course, guys, with a market like this, if you don't think we are bearish, just zoom out and look at exactly what's happening. We had the top right here at 125, 126K. In my opinion, we're in a bear market. This is a bit of a relief rally before a further dump towards the downside. And I will start to show you that right now. But before we do, guys, today's the last day to join my free group. over literally 130 or 140 people joined from yesterday's video, because tomorrow is the day I'll be locking the group. So if you did want to get some free alerts, of course, there are nice profitable trades being made in this group. Not every trade is a profit and you can make a loss. Of course, it's crypto. There is a lot of risky stuff happening. However, a lot of these trades were performed very, very well, and we made some good profit in this group. You can see right here from these screenshots. So the link is down below, guys. If you did want to join tomorrow, it will be a paid group. I'm not sure if it's going to be like $100 a month or a deposit requirement. I'm not sure. I didn't work it out yet, but tomorrow it will be closed and it will be private. The link is down below in today's video, guys. Right here below the Ubit link, you can see join chart chasers completely for free. So enough about that. I just really wanted to get out the way this group, because I don't want people to be missing out on that in the next few days. So I really want to talk about this chart because it's absolutely beautiful and it's showing exactly what happened last cycle right here for Bitcoin. So we can see right here, we can see exactly on the fib retracement right here, the 0.382 Fibonacci. We broke above it right here exactly as this arrow is, and then we got rejected all the way pretty much immediately to this golden pocket down here at approximately $28,000. Now, what could happen right now for the Bitcoin price? Well, if we take a look at that exact same Fibonacci level right here, 0.382, the same as there, what could happen? Well, we could break this 0.382, which is at what level? It's exactly at $84,000 US. And what does $84,000 have in common? Well, it's actually closing the CME gap right here at $84,000. So if we were to go ahead and do that, we would then close that CME gap and then potentially have a rejection, liquidate all of these short positions, and then have a rejection at least down to the 0.5, probably going back down to this golden pocket right here. And again, in the previous cycle, guys, we actually went below this golden pocket. If I can pull it up, if I can use a chart, I've only been using it for 8 years, but if I could use a chart in this video, that would be beautiful, Jack. Come on, I know it's a Sunday, but let's get, this is important information. So we can in fact see, we didn't only get rejected down to this golden pocket, we actually got rejected further to the 0.786 before we found a bottom a little bit further, but the rejection in that move was down to the 0.786. And again, if we were to see a rejection down to the 0.786, which is exactly here, this would be approximately $40,000. Now, if I pull up my EMA ribbons and we go to the weekly chart right here, we can see that that rejection is actually coinciding, at least the golden pocket is, with my bear market target right here for Bitcoin. And we can see my exact bear market target here for Bitcoin is approximately around 46,000 up to approximately 60,000 US. So it would be a little bit below that down here at 40. However, that's what happened last cycle. Now, things don't always match, but sometimes they can rhyme. So I just want you to be careful, because I think there could be some kind of a trap coming up here with a pump up to the CME gap at 84K, and then a massive take of liquidity up here, and then a complete rejection, at least pretty immediately, down to this 0.5 Fibonacci right here, which would be 70K, pretty much $71,000. Exactly like we saw right here, guys, in the previous cycle. This is previous cycle with the top here at 69K. And again, we saw a push above this Fibonacci right here, and then an immediate rejection, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bearish weeks right here into the bear market, and that was literally a slap in the face right into the bear market. So the same thing could be happening, guys. Just be very, very careful. And that is why some of you may be calling me crazy, saying, why have you got a $360,000 trade open? It's in a loss now, 4.6K. Previously, it was in a loss 25K. I am playing the long game, guys. I think we're in a bear market. I think we are going to go lower, and that is exactly what I'm doing. If you also wanted to do something like that, of course, do your own research, but I really think that could be happening. Now, if we take a look at the liquidity heat map right here, we can see there is a little bit of leverage down here, just 120 million, not a crazy amount, but up here we start to have a lot more forming above this 80 283K range. And guys, it's completely expected. When we see a dump towards the downside, the liquidity builds on the top side. When we see a pump towards the top side, the liquidity builds on the downside. It's just how markets work. It's perfectly normal. The funding rate as of recently is turning a little bit positive right there. So it's showing that people are trying to long the market, of course, but overall, I think the the funding rate is a little bit more negative than positive. That's what we are starting to see. Of course, if you did want to go ahead and join that group, guys, the link is down below. And again, we do have a CME gap here formed at $79,122. So a little bit higher than the price we currently are right now for crypto. But again, I really think if we're taking a look at the current price levels, if I can use a chart, yes, it's Sunday. Yes, it's a little bit late. Yes, I just watched Manchester United win 3-2, which is amazing. But we are starting to see a little bit of a dump. And again, if we take a look at the EMA ribbons right here on the daily time frame, we can see probably we have around down to 76K. And again, on the weekly chart right here, we are in fact getting rejected from these weekly candles exactly like we did right here. However, we did pump above them, but right here we got rejected from them right there. So guys, the market's boring. It's a weekend. I wanted to make a video. I wanted to update you on this thesis. Let me know down below in the comments. Get your comments in because tomorrow is Monday. It is a giveaway. I appreciate you watching my videos. As always, it's not financial advice, and don't watch if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.